Hey, what's going on, guys? I am Beowulf back here with another video. And look at this, the first time going to the ocean here, Myrtle's Inlet, South Carolina. Both jet skis in the water. So that means my brother came out with me to go in the ocean. He's never been here, so it's a little complicated here, so we'll see how it goes. But we're going in the ocean, and we already got the jet skis launched in there, and I'm just had to take the long walk to get to the launch spot. But man, it's nice to be going here in the ocean. Got a fair amount of light left, so who knows what we'll see going on in the ocean, but I'm really excited. And it's cool going out here with somebody else, because I'll tell you, it's a couple times coming here gets a little sketchy being all by yourself with the waves, with a lot of sharks and stuff. Whoa! Out here too, that in case some accident happened, I easily can get out of the water and don't have to be waiting for like a rescue helicopter or a rescue boat or whatnot. So it's kind of nice to have somebody else with you. And that's always good too with safety if you're riding, to have somebody else with you. Unless you're, you know, even myself, I'm very experienced, know what I'm doing, but you know, you just don't want to be out there, and it's nice to have it where somebody can rescue you really fast in case something happens, or something happens to him. So always think about that too. If you're new to the sport and you just bought a Sea Doo, Yamaha, Kawasaki jet ski, bought new or used, always make sure you kind of, you know, if you're first time ever going in the ocean, make sure you go with other people and know that you have help and stuff. Like I have a towboat service that I pay for. I've never had to use, but it's an option if I had to. So always think all that kind of stuff you might need when you're out going riding and stuff. There's a lot of gear and the right stuff you need to be. It's better to be prepared than when something happens, you go, oh, I wish I had it. Instead of having everything you need. Like I have this beacon on me. If I get that in, but the Coast Guard comes and rescues me. So, you know, I'm not going that far offshore. You just don't know what you can get your situation into. So let's get this video going. Let's get in the ocean and ride. Now, if you watched my last video of being here, the tide was super low. Now the tide is like super high. I've never seen it this high up. It's very confusing if it was your first time being here like my brother, of knowing what the height of all that is when you're out there. So we're gonna jet over before we get out the ocean. If there's this goat island, and we're gonna check out what we see over there, if we see any goats, and then we're heading out to the ocean, and we'll see what we see. Looks like there's any goats. That's where the goats would be. I don't see any. That's where the goats would be. That's land right there. This is the only way in and out of the ocean. Don't go anywhere near there, because that's all you can walk on that. See how you can see that where it goes? So don't, all this is super shallow right over here. Okay, I just want to tell you. Just think what's below us. Pretty scary here, huh?
Looks just like the movie Jaws. I can't believe it. This isn't what it's, I've never been out here where it's this calm. It's pretty crazy. I like how big the wave, look at the waves coming in there. I can't believe how calm it is out here. I rode all the way down here just hoping that we see something in the water. It's amazing because anytime I've been out here, it's like so rough that it's not, when it's like this is like what it was when I saw the dolphins. Because what you gotta do is like, look, and it's gonna be very quick that they come up, that you see them. And that's where you figure out where they're at. Because like that's Myrtle Beach all the way down there, I think. You saw the plane come in? Yeah, if you want to. What's that? We'll go this way because we're going with the waves instead of going back, so we'll hit it going down this way. Are you ready? We'll get a rolling start, then go.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball days. I'm flipping the bars and flipping the all record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. All record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. All record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. All record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, don't try to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow them stuff for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna make no time to waste. Running through it with the young influence, adolescent presence, I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete the jacket with the moves elusive, and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' prove 'em. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I had to pivot, shooting no bazookas for the facts. I need racks.